Isn't it so good?
Okay guys, so clean plate na tayo. This is where the potato egg salad was. So we're finished and yeah. So guys, there you have it. There you have it. Potato Japanese salad. Guys, so this is the final outcome. Actually, parang ito together mo lang siya. So the cucumber, the carrots, the egg chop. Oh, there's pepper, corn. There's pepper here. No, there's pepper also.
Wait, Mama,
So-
is that it? Can we eat it? What is this? Let me see.
If you smell it, it actually smells nice. Yeah.
Gosh, mother.
So, merienda time, guys. Merienda time.
Lose weight.
Hindi na tayo makalose. So good. So good. Guys, ito na lang yung natitira na egg salad. Later, baka wala.
Egg kanina, potato.
Potato egg salad, no? Okay guys, so clean plate na tayo. This is where the potato egg salad was. So we're finished and yeah, it's now time to clean the plate. Okay, kain na din kayo. Bye guys, Lutong Bahay with Nanay. There we go guys. Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Japanese mashed potato done. See you in the next video. Japanese potato salad? Japanese potato salad, guys. Okay.